Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are dealing with a triangle question, and without further ado, I'd like to get straight into it. Now they've said to us in the figure, the angle B2 is equal to 118 degrees. So we can write the 118 degrees immediately for B2, and then they've said to us that the angle D2 is equal to 126. So D2 we located over there, and we know that that is equal to 126 degrees. All right, that's all the information they've given us. Now they say to us, right, complete the table to calculate the size of A. So our end goal is to calculate the size of this angle over there. Now what they've done is they've already written in some stuff for us, and we need to complete the reasons, and then we need to solve for angle A by itself. Right, guys, so let's have a look at this one. They've said to us B1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 118 degrees. So let's see, B1 is over here, and they've said B1 plus 118 gives you 180. The reason being there, guys, can we think about it? It is adjacent angles on a straight line. Correct. Nicely done. Right, so that gives you a mark over there. Now, let's look at the second mathematical statement that they've written. They've said B1 plus A is equal to something. Now, B1 plus A is equal to something. All right, so this is a rule that doesn't come up too often, but it does come up. And it's something that you do need to remember, guys. So, do you see that they've given us this? This is the hint. They've given us this 126 degrees, and that forms the exterior angle of a triangle. Now the minute we've got this, we know that this exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of these two angles, which happen to be B1 plus A. So we know B1 plus A is equal to 126. So there we go. That's done. And the reason for it is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, so some teachers will be happy for you to write just this part, the exterior angle of a triangle. I like the whole thing being written, just so I know exactly that you know what the theorem is. And then finally, guys, we need to calculate the size of A. All right, so we've already calculated that B1 is 62. So let's see what we can do. So if we put 62 in place of B1, we can say 62 degrees plus A is equal to 126 degrees. Now we've built our own equation, and we need to take this from that side over to that side. So what would we do? We would subtract 62 from both sides. And I'm going to be lazy, and I'm going to do this on my calculator nice and quickly. I hope you're not doing it on your calculator. And that gives us A is equal to 64 degrees, and that gets you all of the marks for this question. That's all from me, guys. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to visit our website for more of these awesome videos. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.